Hello, it's Mr. O again, and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do if you want to start creating some drawings. But before we go there, we need to look at the types of designs or drawings you can actually do on Fusion 360. So firstly, we will mostly operate in the design workspace. This is where you actually do the design of the piece of equipment that you are going to be creating and or drawing. You can also then test your designs with the generative design workspace. Fusion 360 can make your design actually looks pretty good. They can render it in all sorts of nice shades and make it look really realistic, and even break it apart in the animation section so you can see how it all goes together. Simulation wise, you can perform some tests on your equipment and then even manufacture and break it apart so that people can manufacture it for you. We probably will be spending a lot more time in the drawing side, where we will be taking this three-dimensional rendered drawing that you've created and putting it into a two-dimensional page that you can give to a manufacturer, doing both the orthographic projection as well as isometric projection onto a single two-dimensional page instead of just having the three-dimensional picture you have here. And then of course, if you're an electrical engineer, you can move down doing some electronic designs with the electrical and electronic libraries. That's a good overview of the ways and different designs we're going to be working with in the future. I hope that helps.